planning your maintenance can be a daunting task for a new aircraft owner. There's a lot of things that have to be done, that can be done, make you legal to fly, make you not legal to fly. It's not like a car here where we're just dealing with, you know, taking it down to the Jiffy Lube or the Lexus dealer and having your oil changes or your brakes done. The first thing I would recommend is to work with a mechanic that knows the airplane and figure out all the items that need to be done on your aircraft. And I would build a spreadsheet. And most aircraft owners are obviously very familiar with spreadsheets. I would build a spreadsheet to track all that maintenance so you're never surprised with what's coming up. Don't wait until your annual's due next week to call and schedule for the annual. You're gonna be down for months. My friend Jeff runs a great shop here, and Jeff, you know all about that.
Yes, 100%. I mean, all that he said is true. Finding a shop ahead of time, getting to know the mechanic that works on your airplane. I have my customers that are a year in advance in the schedule, and to be honest, it still takes us a lot of time. Turnaround time is not there. But yeah, exactly. Find the right shop, find the right mechanic that knows your airplane, knows what to look for. Yeah, just plan ahead of time for sure.